you become more like the person you dislike. कि जब उनके अंदर करवाहट ही है तो जब तुम उनको स्क्वीज करोगे तो करवाहट ही निकलेगी. वो मेरे लिए नहीं बदल रहे, मैं क्यों उनके लिए बदलूं? वो कीचड़ में रहते हैं, वो तुम्हें कीचड़ में खींच लेंगे. तुम्हें कीचड़ में खेलना नहीं आता, वो कीचड़ उनका प्लेग्राउंड है. तुम हाथ दोगे वो पूरी बॉडी को गंदा कर देंगे एंड लेटर ऑन यू विल ओनली फील कि यार मुझे ये सब एटलीस्ट नहीं कहना चाहिए था. इन द शावर यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ देम, ऑन द पॉटी यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ देम, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू स्लीप यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ देम, व्हेन यू वेक अप यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ देम. टू द पीपल you love most you are talking about the people you hate most. Till the time you are critical of the people who are critical of you, you are matching their frequency. And the more I tried to explain and justify myself, the more I struggled and felt that I was being even further misunderstood. मैम, जिन्होंने हमारे साथ गलत किया है उनके बारे में गलत ही ख्याल आता है, हमें क्या करना चाहिए? प्लीज एडवाइस. पूजा, one of the things I think we all have to evolve to become is an understanding कि सब अपनी तरफ से जो भी उनको बेस्ट समझ आता है वो कर रहे हैं. Everybody is doing the best with their limited understanding, their limited experience, their limited knowledge, resource, whatever they have. And once we start to understand that hurt people tend to hurt people, that there are things that have happened in this person's life that have hurt them so much कि जब उनके अंदर करवाहट ही है तो जब तुम उनको स्क्वीज करोगे तो करवाहट ही निकलेगी. Okay, and the more we start to realize कि who am I to judge them? भगवान जी ने इनको बनाया है, इनका कोई पर्पस होगा. शायद he's put these people as the disguised angels in my life because more people change because of the negativity that they face in their life than because of the positivity. So if I go back and look at all the people who said wrong things to me, and there was a part of me that started to feel this need to prove to myself and to others कि no, I am not the labels or the names or the misunderstandings you are putting on me. And the more I tried to explain and justify myself, the more I struggled and felt that I was being even further misunderstood. Even my goodness was being twisted into ओ ये तो फेक है, ये तो प्लास्टिक है, ये तो एक्स्ट्रा कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग है, ओ ये तो बहुत बहुत ज्यादा स्वीट है, डायबिटीज स्वीट है. So even when your goodness starts to get misconstrued, what I would love for you to do is कि जब कोई आपके साथ गलत करता है, take that energy and do something good in the world. Bless that person, because when you bless people who are doing wrong, you actually detach energetically. Then they cannot live in your mindset. Till the time you are critical of the people who are critical of you, you are matching their frequency, and वो तो एक permanent space बना लेते हैं आपके घर में. Means in the shower you are thinking of them, on the potty you are thinking of them, when you are going to sleep you are thinking of them, when you wake up you are thinking of them. To the people you love most, you are talking about the people you hate most, and they become so prominent that eventually you will energetically become a match to the people you dislike most, which means you become more like the person you dislike. Now instead, if you said, what, let the barking dogs bark, I have no interest in participating in this drama that they are creating, I am going to go for a vision so beautiful, I am going to focus on my mission, I am going to focus on my goals, I am going to focus on my career, I am going to focus on the good things of my life, a time will come where your sweetest revenge will be your success. And if I go a step further, a time will come where the same people who criticize you might just land up enjoying your success. And God bless those people. May you have so much success, because successful people don't have time to look down and waste time on the people who are not worthy of their time, energy, effort or anything. Only time we get stuck is when we start to want to change their mindset towards us, when we want to explain and justify and that's when we get stuck. So my suggestion, don't participate in their drama. They are velas, they are going to keep on. वो कीचड़ में रहते हैं, वो तुम्हें कीचड़ में खींच लेंगे. तुम्हें कीचड़ में खेलना नहीं आता, वो कीचड़ उनका प्लेग्राउंड है. तुम हाथ दोगे वो पूरी बॉडी को गंदा कर देंगे एंड लेटर ऑन यू विल ओनली फील कि यार मुझे ये सब एटलीस्ट नहीं कहना चाहिए था, मैं तो उस कैटेगरी की नहीं थी. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ बिकमिंग मोर ऑफ देम, बिकम मोर ऑफ हु यू आर. आई रिमेंबर हियरिंग दिस वन स्टोरी which I always love narrating. I may have narrated it before in my Insta live also. There was this Panditji who was throwing back all the crabs or scorpions into the water, and every time he was throwing these animals back, they were biting him. So somebody came and asked him, वो तो तुम्हें काट रहे हैं, क्यों आप उनकी मदद कर रहे हो? And he said, उनका संस्कार है काटना, मेरा संस्कार है बचाना, मैं, वो मेरे लिए नहीं बदल रहे, मैं क्यों उनके लिए बदलूं? So I believe कि in a world where everybody is operating from their own upbringing, from their own sanskars, you develop your own sanskar and be the person you choose to be. And there is so much satisfaction and likability you will start to have for yourself when you don't respond, or rather you don't react to people, you start to respond to people. A person deserves your anger, your outburst, but instead of giving them your outburst, you control and you keep your inner peace and your happiness, and you smile and you walk away and you say, you know what? I don't need nothing from these people. I will create such a beautiful future. I will create such a beautiful life for myself कि ये देख देख के मैं इनको मार डालूंगी. I don't need to मारो them personally. So see how you can use all of what I'm speaking, because I want you to energetically now detach. ब्लेस दीज पीपल. वो ऑलरेडी सफर कर रहे हैं. अगर वो इतने नेगेटिव और ये सब है, उनकी लाइफ अच्छी नहीं हो सकती. इनको हेट्रेड की जगह आप सिंपैथी दो. ओके, that oh my god, I wish they knew a better way to operate. If they are doing this with me, they must be doing this with others, and when they do this with others, people are not going to like people who are not likable, correct or no? So they will eventually land up living out their destiny, whatever it is, but you don't make your destiny their destiny in the process of matching their energy. ठीक है? आई होप आप कन्विंस हो गए हो कि गलत लोगों के बारे में गलत नहीं सोचना, उनको उनकी किस्मत पे छोड़ देना और अपनी किस्मत बनाने निकल जाना.